Hey, hi Samruddhi, Ratru. Long time.
Yeah,
So it's been very long time now. You're part of Medhavi now.
around like 2.4 years we have been collaborating with each other. It's pretty lovely working with you guys, and we have supported in every platforms and every administration and everything as well.
Right. So recently we have seen some international exposure for
Yes.
vice candidates. So how we got that opportunity?
See, basically, we are working with Hyundai Motors for the same project. We are collaborating for the same, and these the candidates which we send around like 50 plus candidates we have sent to Korea. It's been a great opportunity for these people as well because they have never even like traveled around Maharashtra or around another state. It's been an opportunity for them to travel to another country. Is a big opportunity for tech as well, and also for the talking about our the Talent Corp Solution Private Limited and MSU, it's been a great opportunity that we have been collaborating for the same event.
How industry is taking this vice program?
They are loving it actually because the VICE program is for the returnable and stability. Also, there is a clause like for 90% attendance is compulsory. So this is why they are like encouraging. We are encouraging for this MSU to be a part of much more industries and companies as well. So
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the headcount now under vice?
around for talking about for Hyundai Auto specifically, it's around 600 plus, and they are encouraging more and more. So it will be reaching around 1,000 plus.
Okay. So what is the motivation to the candidates from your side to take this vice program?
See, basically, candidates, it's basically a program in which none and a scheme is that, in which the candidates get a better opportunity for them to complete their education while also working in the company. So it's a good opportunity for them to work at the company as well, and they just have to complete that. So it's really a good program as well.
Will you promote this particular vice program to the other industries?
Definitely. It's a good program, and it's lovely to work with MSC as well.